Hello, good morning. It's Ready Davy G here. You've missed us for a wee while, so we've been away for a little while over the Christmas and New Year period. So we're back doing our little job, what we do best. We're advertising some of our vehicles. And we're down at Leaving Beach Caravan Park, Leaving Promenade, Leaving Beach, and then we've got Largo Law, the old extinct volcano in Largo. Just in the background here. It's a beautiful part of the country. This is, well, it's two golf courses. This is Leaving Links golf course here, and this is London Links golf course, which joins each other. We're down here bidding our Renault Master minibus for sale. It's a 2004 one, so we'll go and have a little look at it. Sunny here, so it's a little change for the past few days where it's been snowing quite a lot, which has been all over the country. We'll show you the inside of this minibus just for the back there. It's a 2004 Renault Master 2.5 turbo diesel, and it's got the 8 rear seats in the back. The 2 rear ones, the near side ones, they fold away to the side to let the wheelchair in. There is tracking here for a wheelchair, and it's certified for 2 wheelchairs or any combinations of the 8 seats and wheelchairs. But as you can see, we do not have a tail lift on this vehicle because we use this vehicle on just a school contract for 6, 7, 8 children. There's no wheelchairs required in it. We do sell the tail lifts or the internal ramps, but these are sold separately. So if that was what was needed for this vehicle, we could supply this at extra cost. So we'll have a look at the bodywork on the vehicle. We do like a bit of bodywork in the A1 coaches, you know. The bodywork's nice and clean. Is because our council require the bodywork to be of a nice standard, no rust or any damage, things like that. So we'll go and have a little drive in the vehicle, and we'll tell you a bit more about it. That's if Tony doesn't fall down on his bum like he did the last time. We're back. Oh, we've missed you. We've really missed you. So as I said, this vehicle's is a 2004 Renault Master. It's the 5-speed gears. We've had this vehicle for over 4 years now, and you know, it's been a good vehicle to us. No major issues with the vehicle. It is a true and genuine vehicle. The mileage stands at 240,000 miles, 240,000. That's high mileage, but well, as I said, it's never gave us any issues, and I'm sure it'll be kind to its new owner. The vehicle's used daily by us, so the mileage will go up daily. The MOT is March this year, 2018, but we will put a new 1 year's MOT on the vehicle for the new owner, which, you know, a year's MOT, 8-seater minibus, is going very cheap. The price we're asking is £1,800 plus VAT, and again, depending on who buys the vehicle, there are some exemptions for the VAT adjustments. So again, we've sold a lot of these vehicles, very popular because of the size, is the campervan conversions. We've sold many vehicles of this nature as campervans. They're excellent. for that purpose, because they have all the windows and they're really dependable vehicles. So that is another selling point for anyone. A year's MOT, 2004, nice bodywork, clean bodywork, £1,800 plus VAT. We have to clear these out for new vehicles arriving, so you know somebody's going to get a bargain. And as usual, our usual terms apply, the Ravy Davy G terms, as you can see these advertised on our Facebook. It's minibus and coach sales, or again you will see them on our eBay shop, or give me a call on A1 Minibus and Coach Limited, and we are in Fife, Scotland, and my phone number is Ravy Davy G, 07774 223 123, and don't think we'll have the hiccups, it's just these speed bumps. Or again, the main office number is 01592 713 443. Thanks for looking, and we hope to see you soon.